देखून तुमकां सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटाना देवान तुमचेर आशीर्वाद घालूं जे लिसांव तुमी आमकां शिकयले that we need practical wisdom to live and the practical wisdom तुमी दाखयलो तुयें हांगा हाडून जाता आमी शाणेपण म्हणटा देवान दिल्लें शाणेपण आमच्या समेस्ताच्या जिवितान आसचें आनी समेस्ताच्या जिवितान आसता तेन्ना आमच्या जोने कितल्याच्या गोंयकाराच्या जिवितान आसचें.
Dream come true, a 20-year-old dream, a dream of at least 2 decades. Yesterday the returning officer who was here was that time the deputy collector. When people had approached saying you allot us land, we are willing to shift it. This was when Sardin was, I think, chief minister. So the demand has been a long pending one. We had initiated this as a model of development by consent.